Getting trapped in the paycheck to paycheck cycle feels like running on a hamster wheel that never stops spinning. You work harder, you might even get raises, but somehow you're still counting days until your next deposit hits. What if I told you there are 5 specific businesses that could completely break this pattern and build you genuine wealth over time? These aren't get-rich-quick schemes or pyramid structures. These are legitimate business models that thousands of people have used to escape financial stress and create lasting prosperity. Before we dive deep into these game-changing opportunities, if improving your financial future truly matters to you, check the link in the description. It opens the door to extra resources and income opportunities that work in the background, and don't forget to hit the subscribe button. The first business that can transform your financial reality is digital marketing services. Every single business in the world needs customers, and most of them struggle to find those customers online. This creates a massive opportunity for you to step in and solve their biggest problem. You can start by learning social media management, helping local restaurants and shops manage their Facebook and Instagram accounts. The beauty here is that you don't need thousands of dollars to begin. You need a computer, internet connection, and willingness to learn. What makes this business model so powerful is the recurring revenue potential. Once you prove your value to a client by bringing them more customers, they'll pay you month after month to keep those results flowing. I've seen people start with one small client paying $300 monthly and scale to multiple clients generating 5-figure monthly income within 18 months. The learning curve exists, but it's manageable. You can master the basics of Facebook advertising, content creation, and client communication through online courses and practice. Start with businesses you already know or frequent. Your local gym, coffee shop, or accounting firm likely needs help reaching more customers online. The second wealth-building business is e-commerce through private labeling. This means finding products that already sell well, improving them slightly, and selling them under your own brand. The key is identifying products with consistent demand, but room for improvement in quality, packaging, or marketing. You don't need to invent anything revolutionary. Look at successful products on Amazon. Find their weaknesses through customer reviews. Then work with manufacturers to create better versions. Maybe existing phone cases crack too easily, or protein shakers don't mix ingredients well enough. Your improved version becomes your competitive advantage. The startup costs vary depending on your chosen product, but you can begin with products requiring lower initial investment. Kitchen gadgets, fitness accessories, and organization tools often have manageable entry points. The profit margins can be substantial because you're building brand recognition rather than competing solely on price. Your third pathway to financial freedom is content creation and digital products. This business model leverages your knowledge, skills, or personality to generate income through multiple streams. You might create online courses teaching skills you already possess, write ebooks about subjects you understand deeply, or build a following around topics you're passionate about. The beautiful aspect of digital products is that you create them once, but can sell them repeatedly without additional production costs. If you're skilled at photography, create a course teaching others. If you understand personal finance, write guides helping people budget effectively. If you're great at organizing spaces, film tutorials showing your methods. Content creation requires patience because building an audience takes time, but the long-term potential is extraordinary. Successful content creators often develop multiple income streams, including sponsorships, affiliate marketing, product sales, and speaking engagements. The key is choosing topics you can discuss authentically and consistently. The fourth business opportunity is service-based consulting in your area of expertise. Everyone has skills and knowledge that others need and will pay to access. Maybe you're excellent at project management, have deep understanding of specific software, or know how to navigate complex regulations in your industry. Consulting businesses have incredibly low startup costs because your knowledge is the primary product. You need basic business setup, professional communication skills, and ability to deliver results for clients. The hourly rates for quality consultants often far exceed traditional employment wages. Start by identifying problems you've solved repeatedly in your career or personal life. Then find others facing those same challenges. Business owners struggling with employee management, individuals planning major life transitions, or companies implementing new technologies all represent potential consulting opportunities. The scalability comes from developing systems and potentially hiring other consultants as demand grows. You can also create group programs, workshops, or digital resources that serve multiple clients simultaneously. The fifth wealth-generating business is real estate investing, specifically starting with house hacking or rental property management. House hacking means buying a property where you live in one portion and rent out the rest, allowing rental income to cover most or all of your housing costs. This strategy requires more upfront capital than other options, but it builds long-term wealth through property appreciation and monthly cash flow. You can start with duplexes, triplexes, or single-family homes with basement apartments. The rental income reduces your living expenses while you build equity in appreciating real estate. Property management for other investors is another entry point requiring less capital. You can manage rental properties for busy investors who prefer hands-off approaches. This generates steady, monthly income while you learn the real estate market and potentially identify your own investment opportunities. Real estate offers tax advantages that employed individuals rarely access. Depreciation deductions, maintenance expenses, and other benefits can significantly reduce your tax burden while building wealth. Each of these business models shares several crucial characteristics. They provide potential for recurring income rather than trading time for money indefinitely. They allow you to build assets that generate value even when you're not actively working. They offer scalability opportunities as your skills and resources grow. The most important factor in choosing which business to pursue is honest self-assessment. Consider your current skills, available time, financial resources, and risk tolerance. Digital marketing might suit someone with strong communication skills and modest startup funds. Real estate could work better for someone with higher savings and interest in property management. Success in any of these ventures requires commitment to learning and consistent action over extended periods. The paycheck-to-paycheck cycle didn't develop overnight, and breaking free won't happen instantly either. However, these business models offer genuine pathways to financial independence for people willing to invest effort in their future. The transition period is often the most challenging phase. You'll likely need to maintain your current income while building your business. This means working evenings and weekends initially, but remember that this temporary sacrifice can lead to permanent financial improvement. Start by choosing one business model that resonates most strongly with your situation and interests. Focus entirely on that opportunity rather than trying to pursue multiple ventures simultaneously. Master one approach, generate consistent income, then consider expanding to additional opportunities. Don't forget to check the link in the description to subscribe and start exploring resources that can transform your financial life. Your financial future depends on decisions you make today. The paycheck-to-paycheck cycle continues until you actively choose to break it through new income sources and wealth-building activities. These 5 business opportunities have helped countless individuals escape financial stress and create prosperity. The question isn't whether they work, but whether you'll take action to implement them in your life.